To lodge your business activity statement in Xero, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Xero and that your account is set up with the Australian Taxation Office. First, navigate to the Reports tab and select Activity Statement. Choose the relevant period and ensure the statement is accurate and complete. Next, review your GST, PAYG withholding, and other taxes to ensure all information is correct. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. Now, go to the Reports tab and select Activity Statement again. Click the Lodge with Auto button, and you will be redirected to the Auto portal. Log into your MyGov account and authenticate the lodgement. You will then be asked to confirm the details of your business and the statement you are lodging. Review this information carefully, as it cannot be changed once lodged. Once you have confirmed the details, submit the statement to the Auto. You will receive a confirmation message and a receipt number, which you should retain for your records. It is essential to keep accurate and detailed records of your BAS lodgements, including receipts and confirmation messages. This will help you stay on top of your tax obligations and avoid any potential issues. Throughout the process, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your Xero account is up to date. If you encounter any issues during the lodgement process, contact the Auto or Xero support for assistance. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently and accurately lodge your BAS in Xero, ensuring compliance with Auto regulations and avoiding any potential penalties.